Okay, so now we'll make an animation where a line will go through the text all over the song. So there are several ways to doing that. We'll start with the first method that consists in creating the line in another program like Illustrator, as well as a text on a different layer, and import everything here in After Effects and animate these two layers to simulate a camera movement. So I double click on the project, select my file, and here I have several options: footage or composition. They all will work. The problem is, for example, if I select footage option, merge layer is not a good idea because both the text and the line will be on the same layer, and if I want to mask one, for example, or animate one differently, that won't be possible. So choose layer could work, but I have to import each of them separately, and in this case not too much of a problem, but if I have many layers it can be very long. So I'll cancel that, double click again, select my file, and this time I'll choose composition. So again I have two options. One is written layer sizes. Written layer sizes will give the same size to both layers. It's not necessarily bad, but in this case I'll show you what it does. You see the center is common, but since the two layers have these different sizes, there is an offset. So once again it would be quick to adjust that, but if I have many layers, again it can take some time. So let's see a last method of doing it. I'll delete this one. Select the Illustrator file and select composition. Okay, now the folder created has the two layers separated, perfect, so I can drop that on my timeline. And now the size of each layer is correct and they are perfectly aligned. Good. Note that we have imported these two layers as a composition, so After Effects has created a new composition. But we are not very interested in that because you see the format is not the right one, so we can just delete it. What we are interested in is these two layers here. Delete it. Good. So now we are on the main composition, and one last thing I want to show is if we scale up these layers to zoom in, for example, and scale quite a lot, scan even, and you see that the quality goes down because we are transforming the image into bitmap. So there is a way to avoid this loss of quality. It's by using this option. That way After Effects will recalculate every time a new bitmap based on the new scale. So in this case this is what we want.